What if I told you there's a home design from the 1800s that's about to dominate luxury home construction in 2026, and it could cut your energy bills in half while giving you the most epic outdoor entertaining space you've ever seen? I'm talking about the Dogtrot Barndominium, and it's making the biggest comeback in modern architecture. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this layout is exploding in popularity and how it could transform the way you live. Before we dive in, if you love cutting-edge home designs and smart living solutions, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. We're bringing you the hottest trends in alternative housing every single week. And a huge shout out to all our channel members who support us. You're the reason we can keep bringing you this premium content. Thank you. Now let's talk about why the Dogtrot is the 2026 game changer. What is a Dogtrot Barndominium? Let me paint you a picture. Imagine a luxury modern home split into two sections. But here's the twist. Right down the middle, running the entire length of the house, there's a massive covered breezeway. Not a hallway, not a porch. A full-width, open-air passage that connects both sides of your home under one continuous roof. One side might have your bedrooms and bathrooms. The other side has your kitchen, living room, and entertaining spaces. And that breezeway in the middle, that's where the magic happens. This isn't just aesthetic, it's brilliant engineering. The breezeway creates a wind tunnel effect, pulling cool air through your entire home naturally. No air conditioning needed for a huge portion of the year, especially in warmer climates. The design dates back to the 1800s when people built homes to work with nature, not against it. Now, modern architects are bringing it back with luxury finishes, high-end materials, and contemporary styling that looks absolutely stunning. Why 2026 is the Dogtrot year? Here's why this design is exploding right now. First, energy costs are skyrocketing. People are desperate for homes that don't cost a fortune to cool and heat. Second, outdoor living is the #1 priority for luxury home buyers in 2026. Everyone wants that seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Third, unique architectural designs are in massive demand. People are tired of cookie-cutter homes that look like everything else in the neighborhood. The Dogtrot checks every single box. It's energy efficient, it's Instagram-worthy, and it creates the most incredible outdoor living space you can imagine. Major architectural firms are calling it the hottest residential trend of 2026. Designers are reimagining the concept with glass garage doors, outdoor fireplaces, built-in kitchens, and luxury finishes that make these breezeways rival any indoor space. The natural cooling advantage. Let's talk about the science that makes this work. When you create an open corridor through the center of your home, you're essentially building a natural air conditioning system. Here's how it works. Hot air rises, and cool air flows toward low-pressure areas. The breezeway creates a pressure differential that pulls cool air from one end of your property, channels it through the center of your home, and exhausts hot air out the other side. This is called cross-ventilation, and it's incredibly effective. In hot, humid climates like Texas, Louisiana, Tennessee, and the Carolinas, homeowners report reducing air conditioning usage by 30 to 40% during spring and fall months. Even in summer, the breezeway stays comfortable because it's shaded by the roof overhang and constantly ventilated by natural airflow. Position your Dogtrot to align with prevailing winds in your area, and you've got a cooling system that costs absolutely nothing to operate. Modern Dogtrot Barndominiums take this even further. They incorporate large windows on both sides of the home that amplify the cross-ventilation effect. When you open windows on opposite sides, air flows through the breezeway and pulls through your interior living spaces, cooling the entire home naturally. In moderate climates, this can eliminate air conditioning needs for 6 to 8 months of the year. That translates to energy savings of thousands of dollars annually. The built-in outdoor entertainment paradise. Now let's talk about why the breezeway is the absolute star of this design for entertaining. This isn't just a walkway, it's a fully functional outdoor living room that's protected from wind, rain, and sun. Picture this, a 16 to 24 foot wide covered space running 40 to 60 feet through the center of your home. That's 640 to 1,440 square feet of protected outdoor space. And here's what you can do with it. First, outdoor kitchens. This is where Dogtrot designs absolutely shine. You can install a full outdoor kitchen with grills, smokers, pizza ovens, refrigerators, and prep counters right in the breezeway. Because it's covered by the roof, your equipment is protected from weather. Because it's open on both ends, smoke and cooking odors vent naturally. You're not dealing with trapped heat or lingering smells like you would in an enclosed space. Many luxury Dogtrot builds include pass-through kitchen windows from the indoor kitchen to the breezeway. Imagine cooking inside, then sliding open a large window to pass food and drinks directly to your outdoor dining area. Guests flow seamlessly between indoor and outdoor spaces. It's the ultimate setup for entertaining, and it looks absolutely incredible. Second, dining and lounge areas. The breezeway stays comfortable year-round because it's protected from direct sun and wind. You can furnish it with dining tables, lounge furniture, outdoor sofas, and even hanging swings or hammocks. Rain or shine, you've got a usable outdoor space. During winter, add patio heaters or a wood-burning fireplace, and suddenly you've got a cozy gathering spot, even in cold weather. Third, the breezeway eliminates wind problems. Traditional outdoor patios are often unusable when it's windy. Food blows off plates, umbrellas get destroyed, and guests are uncomfortable. The Dogtrot breezeway is enclosed on both sides by the house structure, which blocks crosswinds while still allowing airflow. You get ventilation without the chaos of strong winds. This is a massive advantage that people don't appreciate until they experience it. Fourth, natural lighting and ambience. Many modern Dogtrots incorporate skylights, Edison bulb string lights, or recessed lighting in the breezeway ceiling. When the sun sets, this space transforms into an absolutely magical outdoor room. Add an outdoor fireplace on one end, and you've created the most impressive entertaining feature imaginable. Guests will never want to leave. Luxury Dogtrot features for 2026. Let's talk about what luxury Dogtrot Barndominiums look like in 2026. These aren't rustic cabins. We're talking about high-end modern homes with premium finishes and cutting-edge design elements. Glass garage doors are everywhere in luxury Dogtrots. Install 10 to 12-foot glass garage doors on one or both sides of the breezeway, and you can completely open up the space when weather permits. This creates a massive open pavilion effect. When it's cold or rainy, close the doors and you've enclosed the breezeway while still maintaining natural light. Outdoor fireplaces are a must-have feature. Stone or metal fireplaces installed in the breezeway extend the usability of the space into cooler months. Picture sitting by a fire in your covered outdoor living room while it's raining outside. That's the Dogtrot lifestyle. Built-in outdoor kitchens with high-end appliances are becoming standard. Stainless steel grills, kegerators, wine fridges, sinks with hot and cold water, concrete or granite countertops, and professional-grade equipment. These aren't budget setups. People are investing $15,000 to $40,000 in breezeway kitchens because they use them constantly. Luxury flooring options include stained concrete, natural stone, brick pavers, or composite decking. These materials withstand weather exposure while looking elegant. Many designs incorporate heating elements in the floor for winter comfort. Smart home integration is huge. Automated lighting, ceiling fans controlled by smartphone, retractable screens, and sound systems integrated throughout the breezeway. You control everything from your phone, making the space as functional as any interior room. Real costs and examples. Let's talk real numbers. A 1,500 square foot luxury Dogtrot Barndominium costs between $187,500 and $600,000, depending on finishes, location, and complexity. That's $125 to $400 per square foot. The breezeway itself adds minimal cost because it's just covered space, no walls or interior finishes required. Here's a real example. A stunning Dogtrot in Fredericksburg, Texas features 800 square feet of covered breezeway, a pass-through kitchen window bar, outdoor fireplace, and glass garage doors. The total covered area is 2,400 square feet with approximately 1,600 square feet of interior living space, and that massive 800 square foot breezeway. Listed price is around $1.5 million in a luxury market, but similar builds in less expensive areas run $350,000 to $500,000. Another popular layout is the Spartacus II design with over 3,500 square feet. One side has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The breezeway features a wood-burning fireplace. The opposite side includes a living room, home gym, bedroom, and full bath functioning as an in-law suite. This layout is perfect for multi-generational living or guest accommodations. Build cost runs approximately $400,000 to $700,000, depending on location and finishes. Design flexibility and customization. The beauty of Dogtrot Barndominiums is incredible flexibility. You design each side independently. One side can be your main living quarters. The other side can be a guest suite, in-law apartment, home office, gym, workshop, or entertainment room. Because they're separated by the breezeway, you get privacy and noise separation between the two sections. Breezeway width is customizable. Narrower 12 to 16-foot breezeways work for smaller builds. Luxury designs often feature 20 to 24-foot wide breezeways that create genuine outdoor rooms. The length depends on your overall home size, typically ranging from 30 to 60 feet. You can add security features like sliding barn doors that close off the breezeway at night. This gives you protection and privacy when needed, while maintaining the open feel during the day. Some designs incorporate retractable screens that keep insects out while preserving airflow. Roofline options include traditional gabled roofs, modern monoslope designs, or contemporary flat roofs. Exterior finishes range from classic board and batten siding to modern metal panels, natural wood, stone accents, or mixed materials. The Dogtrot layout works with any aesthetic from rustic farmhouse to sleek contemporary. Who should build a Dogtrot Barndominium? This design is perfect for people who love outdoor living and entertaining. If you host gatherings regularly, want a unique home that stands out, live in a warm climate where outdoor space is usable year-round, care about energy efficiency and sustainability, or appreciate architectural designs that blend tradition with modern luxury, the Dogtrot is for you. It's also ideal for multi-generational living. The separated sides provide privacy while keeping family close. Aging parents or adult children can have their own space while sharing common areas. This might not be right for you if you're in an extremely cold climate where outdoor space isn't usable most of the year, need absolute privacy between all rooms, are in a restrictive HOA that prohibits alternative architecture, or want a traditional enclosed home layout. Practical considerations. Zoning and permits are crucial. Always check local building codes before planning a Dogtrot. Rural areas are typically more flexible. Some suburban areas have restrictions on breezeway designs or require the home to appear more traditional from the street. Insect control is important in some regions. Ceiling fans, retractable screens, or seasonal enclosure systems help manage bugs during peak seasons. The constant airflow naturally reduces insect issues compared to stagnant outdoor spaces. Furniture and decor need to be weather-resistant. Invest in quality outdoor furniture designed for covered spaces. Cushions, rugs, and decorative elements should withstand humidity and temperature changes. The luxury Dogtrot Barndominium isn't just a trend, it's a smart response to how people want to live in 2026. Energy efficient, indoor-outdoor flow, unique architectural design, incredible entertainment spaces, and functionality that works with nature instead of fighting it. This layout delivers everything modern homeowners are demanding. The breezeway transforms your home into something special. It's not just a hallway or a porch. It's a lifestyle centerpiece that you'll use every single day. Morning coffee in the breezeway. Afternoon work sessions with natural airflow. Evening dinners with family. Weekend parties that flow seamlessly between inside and outside. This is the future of luxury living. If you're planning to build or remodel, seriously consider the Dogtrot layout. Work with architects and builders who understand the design principles and can execute it properly. Position your home to maximize prevailing winds. Invest in quality features for the breezeway because you'll use that space constantly. And embrace the unique character that sets your home apart from everything else in the area. So tell me in the comments, would you build a Dogtrot Barndominium? What features would you include in your breezeway? And if you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge home design content, and share this with anyone dreaming of building their perfect home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.